guys, I'm going to be doing a Fashionphile unboxing. I'm facing this way because the sun's coming this way, so it was like a little glary that way. But I got a Balenciaga bag. I'm not sure what the name is, but I have to double check. It probably says inside. And yeah, I'm going to unbox this, and I'm so excited. So I'm trying to do it this way because I don't want my address to get in the way, so I'm just going to here we go. So I got my scissors. I can figure out how to do this. I'm not that good at opening things. They take a long time. Oh gosh. I was so excited when it came because I've been getting a little anxious because I was like, I'm just get really excited, so I get a little anxious, but ooh. It's like really packaged well. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do this right. Let's see if I can open it without showing my address. I don't want to show my address. My kitten's right here, by the way, so you might hear her. Oh gosh, it's really good. And oh, there we go. So this is my second Fashionphile purchase. So I'm very excited. Oh, how is this? Oh gosh. Woo. So this is the Fashionphile. You can see it says Fashionphile here. And then you can bend this. So the Fashionphile. And it just has the receipt. And the confetti. The confetti is just like everywhere. And then it says Fashionphile, and then I'm just gonna open up the receipt to see what the name is. I'm not really good at pronouncing the names, so don't count on that I'm probably get it wrong, but oh, and then also says tag us Fashionphile, thank you, shop, sell, repeat, and then if you want this back, tells you about the information if you want it back. So this is I paid around like 300 something. Oh, my kitten's in the way, sorry. And it's Balenciaga Agneau, I think you're saying. Classic hardware first, Magenta. Are you saying that right? And it did say it had a musty smell in the, I was worried about that, but it had a musty smell in the, when I looked at the information, like the condition and stuff. If not, I might just, my uncle told me a certain thing to do, so I'm gonna probably do that to get the musty part out. Sorry, I'm trying to get comfortable here, and that's in the way. Sorry. So yeah, so here it is, and it says used is the new. Just has a sticker. I'll take it out. I'm so excited. And it also comes with Fashionphile. Always comes with the Fashionphile filer, and it says I like when my money where I can see it and hanging in my closet. Oh my gosh, my kitten's like right in the way. Oh gosh, there she goes. So yeah, I got that. And it just like this. And I think it does come with the Balenciaga dust bag, so I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Oh no, it comes with the Fashionphile one. I think there's the Balenciaga. I think there's the Balenciaga bag. Whatever. It says Fashionphile. I'm pretty sure it comes with. And then you just untie it. Let's see. Always struggling with tying. There we go. Okay. And then take this off, and I think there was another dust bag. There should have been another dust bag with inside. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's actually smaller than I thought. Wow. but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so this one probably won't fit as much as I thought it would, but let me look at the condition. There's some like tear and wear, I remember. And I thought it had a dust bag. Let's see if it's inside. Oh, maybe it did. Oh yeah, it comes with a dust bag. Here's the dust bag. That comes with the Balenciaga dust bag. Check inside. Let's see, it has the straps. I don't mind the musty smell. I don't think it smells musty to me. Let's see. Just double checking everything before I cut the tag. Little fuzz. Little fuzzies. I'll get that off easily. Yeah, there's like some here, but it said it was gonna have some areas that it has that. Good. The mirror should be in here. It has a mirror. It has a mirror. So it goes in here. It goes like that. Like it goes this way. This probably will fit like a couple of my stuff. Not too much than I thought, but it's still pretty and I like it. Yeah, it has like some wear here. I don't know if you can see it. It has like some, but yeah. Pretty good. It's a nice leather. And I honestly don't smell. I smell a little musk, but that's actually not bad, I thought. The sun is like right on my face. I'm trying to like see. Check this out. Bubble wrap. Yeah, it's not bad smell. I like it. I like it. And it's not too big, but not too small. In the mid picture, it did look bigger, but that's fine. It's really nice, and you can wear it like crossbody. It's kind of short. I don't know if it looks good on crossbody. I can't tell. Actually, it looks good crossbody. Yeah. There's that. And then you can also, there's like fuzz. I have to cut some of this off when I get it off, but yeah, and then just, you can hold it like this. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Fashionphile, for my purchase. I'm definitely gonna keep it. And I got the everything, so I'm excited. Thank you so much. And don't forget to also follow my Instagram, which is beautyfashionista_lover_101. My TikTok, if you want to follow me, is Cars by Liana Goldberg. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And then comment down if you ever purchase anything from Fashionphile, and if you do, what would you get? And I hope you like this video. Bye.